Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, then go to the Backup, enable this feature. Then you have to add your Google account, tap Add account. Of course you'll need internet connection to do this. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then tap Accept and OK. And after that, your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.